Yo.
Alright. Howdy, y'all. This is part 2 of our Zanzibar explosion. Alrighty? Now, it turns out that some of the barrels did not explode for some reason, that whole firecracker looking situation. So, we're going to go for round 2.
Oh my god.
Ready?
1 second, let me get a better view.
Ready?
Go. Damn.
Oh, that almost flipped the tank. Come, wait, there it goes. Oh!
And
it lives.
It still
still
lives?
drives.
Wait, there's still some that didn't blow up.
Oh no, now they're just responding.
Oh, it was just responding?
Now.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, what the?
Extra. Oh! You.
Wow, that was a close
cool.
call. You almost got hit by a ghost. That was a close call.
Oh yeah, I think we're done. Oh what? And we're done.
Yes.
Fire. Aw, that one burned out. Fire.
You walked inside fire and it did nothing.
In. Out. Out. In.
Chris.
Out. What?
No.
Sorry. Oh, here's the finale. I still live. Okay, that's the finale.
Alright. Later, y'all.